Canva has integrated a dedicated drawing app directly in this platform. That means you can start drawing your own line in your Canva design easily without having to go back and forth with third-party tools. So if you want to use your own line, or you want to create a custom line that is not available in Canva, you can do so by going to the draw menu right here on the left menu. And then you can see there are plenty of tools that you could use. There is this tool, this tool, and this tool. This is a highlighter, and they do have different style and thickness. For example, this is I think this is a regular marker. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to change the color to purple. And of course, you have the option to adjust the weight and also the transparency of that tool. So I'm going to increase that to 20, and I can start drawing my own line. So it could be like this, it could be like this, and this is very easy. You can also use this tool to create something like that. And there's also a highlighter, and yeah, this is a little bit transparent, but of course you have an option to adjust the transparency for each tool. Now, if you don't have a stylus, you're probably not going to get something that look pretty, because using mouse to draw is not exactly easy unless if you are being used to it. But if you don't, then I personally do not recommend that technique. For example, the scribbles that I got here, this is actually not my drawing. This is something that I got from the Canva library. So if you are okay with whatever available in Canva, you can go to elements and you can search for, let's say, scribble lines, and you can go to the graphics menu and you will find a lot of interesting designs that you could incorporate to your document. For instance, I could add this maybe this line, and oftentimes you can change the color. So you can navigate the color and you can change to whatever color that you find the best. And in my opinion, this is way better and way easier than having to draw your own line. But of course, you have to decide yourself whether or not this method is the best for you. So anyway, that's how you can draw your own line in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful. If that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.